welcome back to the Google Cloud. We're checking some security with Anthos. So we stopped here on the previous video. Now we're going to the Anthos. Let's click on Anthos. We're going to menu, navigation, burger, okay, Anthos, and now we're going to serve some mesh. Just put it down. So here, let's select the MTLS service, okay, under these HTTP bin. Okay. We can check the traffic. So here we can check the traffic infrastructure. You can see here. Let's be back here. Those two connected services. So right here I'm going to click on the HTTP bin, connected services. And now we're going to test the mutual TLS. So I'm going to execute this command to make a request to do a curl on that URL. Okay. So the traffic includes the X4, the client cert header, therefore it was mutually authenticated and encrypted. And now I'm going to send a request to the sleep service in the MTLS client namespace to the HTTP bin service in the legacy service. So I'm going to do a curl on the other service. Okay, passing this. So what happens? This for the client cert is not present. This guy is not present on the header. So the traffic was sent and received in plain text. So now we're going to send a request from the sleep service in the legacy client namespace to the HTTP bin service in the MTLS service namespace. So one to the other, okay? So from legacy client to the HTTP bin MTLS service. So this guy here is not present on the header, so the traffic was sent and received in plain text. Now let's enforce a strict MTLS mode across the service mesh. You know, one service calling the other service mesh. Let's click on overview. We can even come here, overview. Okay, now let's back here. You can click on topology. Okay, let's leave it like this. So what I'm going to apply right now, it's a peer authentication, the strict mode, MTLS strict mode. Okay, so I'm going to run a command loop. Look, I'm going to call HTTP bin MTLS service, legacy service. Okay, all 200 was 00 and the HTTP legacy client legacy service was 200. You have even the comment exceeded with 56. So let's delete the MTLS peer authentication. Mesh wide MTLS and create a namespace. Restrict MTLS service. Let's export this deployment. and applying to the namespace override to enable sidecar injection. Over that, I'm going to apply a strict MTLS servicing. Okay. Back to Anthos here. And let's create a peer authentication in a strict mode with a different namespace. This is another namespace we just created. Remember, this is still in beta version. Okay. Now we're going to verify the MTLS servicing if it's accept plain text. So we are curling MTLS servicing the HTTP bin. Let's click here to make it's complicated if you're not aware about Kubernetes. You can see there is services. Okay, you're calling the service HTTP bin. Okay, this is a service that you call in, but there it depends on the namespace they're calling the MTLS service. So, and here we have the workloads. We haven't deployed any ingress. Let's do the service. So this is how he does the stuff. 200 as expected. Now let's check if the strict MTLS service namespace HTTP bin doesn't accept the traffic in plain text. So you see, strict MTLS service. Now MTLS and strict MTLS. 000. What does that mean? Doesn't accept. Now we're going to put a translate here. We're gonna call it strict mode TLS. Okay, 200. But now we're calling here from another namespace. So we're switching namespace. So this is strict mode. So now what we do, let me minimize here a little bit. We're going to Anthos, service mesh. Under the namespace, strict MTLS, let's click on the HTTP bin because it depends on the MTLS. Let's go to connected services. So okay. Let's click on security now. Even show timeline. It takes a while to show the traffic, even inbound or outbound. So in the case here, there was one traffic over the one to the other. Let's see, it's gonna get the right time. Doesn't get the last minute. By the way, let's delete the strict MTLS servicing. Okay. It is deleted. Let's see where is that here. I think it appears even 2 minutes. You see here the traffic now it appeared. Okay. Then now we just delete the strict MTLS service. And for the next video, we're gonna be working with a different authentication and authorization. All right. See you in the next.